Hey guys, how's it going? It's HelpfulLockPicker here, and welcome back to my lockpicking homeschool series. In today's video, I'm going to help you be able to start to identify what a serrated pen feels like when you're picking your lock. So what I'm going to do is just put a little tension on this lock, and I just want you to listen to me picking pen 1 and then pen number 2. So we're going to start off with pen number 1 right now. And now we're going to set pen number 2. Were you able to hear a difference? So pen number 1 was a serrated pen, and pen number 2 was a standard pen. One of the telltale signs when you're working on a serrated pen is going to be the multiple clicks followed by a sharper shear line click. So I'm going to put a little tension on this lock one more time, and let's take a listen to one. So let's just take a listen to the multiple clicks as we're starting to set the pen. So were you able to hear those multiple clicks followed by the sharper click at the end? So this pen is now set, and I can feel the key pin below it feels nice and floppy, just like gravity is holding it up, and that feels like a set pen. Now when I move on to 2, I'm going to feel it bind, but I'm just going to hear one distinct click, and then the key pin below it's going to feel set like any other pen. Now when we start to move to 3, we're going to feel a binding pen, and then we're going to lift it, and then we got a couple clicks, and then we're going to lift one more time, and we got a third click, and that was a nice sharp shear line click. So that one felt like a serrated pen, and it feels set. And we can also take a look through our cutaway lock and see that we were able to set that pen, and it was in fact serrated. So moving on to 4, that one's binding up. We only got one really nice smooth click, and that was a standard pen, and that feels set. Now moving on to 5, got a click there, another click, and a really big click, and then we were able to open up our lock. So when you're starting to work on serrated pens, you're going to start to get some really great auditory and some tactile feedback. So if you want to do it from just a tactile feedback standpoint, when I start to lift up on 1, you're going to feel really just the vibrations going through your pick and your tension wrench as you're starting to pick it, and then you're just going to feel that one really nice vibration when you're doing just the standard pens. So this is something that's going to take you a little bit of time to develop, but I do feel like when you're working with a serrated pen, the feedback is not subtle. If you're not able to feel it, one thing you can do is try to increase your feedback by increasing your tension just a little bit. But with serrated pens, you need to be extra careful that you're not doing too much tension, because if you do, they are very easy to start to seize up, and they're going to be hard to set if you do that. But I just wanted to show you a really quick example of the multiple clicks and some of the telltale signs of what a serrated pen is going to feel like when you start to work on them. I feel like this is a skill set that you need to develop. It's something that's going to be very helpful to you down the road. I'm just really happy to share it with you. But either way, guys, if you have any questions or suggestions, as always, please drop those in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.